Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a homophones TLM. So let's start. Homophones TLM is ready to explain. First, let us understand what are homophones. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word or words but has a different meaning and spelling. Now let's have some examples of homophones. BEB and VEEB. The meaning of VEB is to exist. The meaning of BEEB is to a flying insect. By and by. The meaning of by is beside and the meaning of by is purchase. Sea and sea. The meaning of SEAC is a large area of salty water. The meaning of SEEC is to look. Knot and knot. The meaning of KNOT knot is to tie and the meaning of NOT knot is used for showing the opposite. 4 and 4. The meaning of FOR is preposition. 4 is a preposition and the meaning of FOUR is the number. Break and break. The meaning of BREAK break is to separate something. The meaning of brake, brake is to make a vehicle go slower or stop. Week and week. The meaning of week, week is a period of 7 days, and the meaning of week, week is not strong. Heal and heal. The meaning of HEAL, heal is to become healthy again, and the meaning of HEEL, heal is back parts of foot. The meaning of DEER, deer is wild animal, and the meaning of DEAR, deer is beloved or loved. Sum and sum. The meaning of SOME, sum is unspecified number or amount. The meaning of SUM, sum is the whole amount. Ant and ant. The meaning of ANT, ant is a very small insect, and the meaning of AUNT, ant is the wife of one's uncle. Hour and hour. The meaning of OUR, hour is belonging to us, and the meaning of HOUR, hour is a period of 60 minutes. Here and here. The meaning of HEAR, here is perceive, and the meaning of HERE, here is in this place. Allowed and allowed. The meaning of ALLOWED, allowed is permitted. The meaning of ALOUD, allowed is clearly heard. Coarse and coarse. The meaning of COARSE, coarse is rough, and the meaning of COURSE, course is way or path. So this is a TLM of homophones. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.